Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
ReStory review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called ReStory. So this is the ReStory review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 7 minutes and 18 seconds long. So we'll get back to the demo video later on. Right now on the sales page it says work in progress because this is only a preview page, so you might see a different sales page when it is finished. But right now it says watch us turning a single keyword, URL or idea into world-class story using pure artificial intelligence at record speed. World's first AI engine gets the idea, writes, creates scenes, designs and produce it in any style or language to make profit and dominate your competition. This and that. Okay, so mainly this software is supposed to create some vertical videos. As you can see here, the vertical videos bring results, predictable results and all that. So these are the kind of videos people are selling for thousands of dollars. That's what they're saying or showing here. We'll try to keep it simple and not confuse you. So let's get done with this page because all you need to check is available in the demo video. Okay, so these are some videos you can see here. You go on those social media sites such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. There you will find all these vertical videos. Okay, now if you're a tech savvy person, you can create these vertical videos using your laptop, using some software or maybe your phone. Record your screen. So if you're tech savvy, you can go on Google, find free tools, or go to canva.com. There are many ways you can do this for free if you're a tech savvy person. Okay, if you are not, then maybe you have to come and get this tool after watching this review. If you think you want this, then you can grab it. However, who is this for? This is only for people who know what they are doing. Okay, because when you create these videos, you need to have a purpose behind it. How would you make money with this? Because these videos either can be sold if you are a freelancer. Okay, so if you are making marketing videos, promotional videos for people, for those social media influencers, or you are some social media management company or a freelancer who manages some social media campaigns for clients, then you can go and create these graphics and videos and you can use them. You can use them in some way or the other, or you can sell them. But if you are a hardcore newbie, I don't think you will be using these videos. Okay, as a newbie means that you need to worry about traffic. How will you bring people to these videos? And I am not expert in bringing traffic from social media because I don't waste my time on social media. Okay, so my traffic is mainly coming from YouTube and from email marketing, and yeah, I don't run paid ads. Okay, so if you really are interested in making money on the internet, this thing will not help you to make money directly. This is only for people who are freelancers or some individual people who want to use it in their own projects, or maybe you have your own way to use these videos in some way or the other. So you can check that out in this in this demo video and then decide for yourself. If you're a newbie only who wants to make money on the internet, then you don't have to buy this ReStory because this thing has got nothing to do with making money. It has only got something to do with making videos. Okay, if you are here only to make money online, then you may go and check out these links below my video. You will find a couple of links. The first link says make money on autopilot with Forex thingy here. Now Forex trading is currency trading. So we have these currencies in the world: Euro, USD, GBP, USD, AUD, USD, USD, CAD and all that. So when one currency goes up, other currency goes down, and we have to utilize this fluctuation of the price movement to make and take our profits. Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay, now if I ask you to do this manually, that will be actually a very disastrous thing because I can't do anything manually either. So what I am recommending you to do is, you will have to go through this first link, and there's a training we will have to go through, and after that you will learn how to set up your machine, the virtual machine, and then you can see the graph here. This is USD JPY, I think, right? Yes. So we'll be installing a software on this graph, and that software is going to do the trading for us. It's gonna buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, and it will be happening automatically. You do not have to become an expert. but you will have to go through the training to understand what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you are willing to learn, as long you're willing to learn, implement and take action, you can do this, because this method does not require you to work manually. Okay, for example, you talk about me right now. What I'm doing, I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, making YouTube videos requires so much manual labor. Okay, and that's another option. Here you can see this one, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. So in case you want to do affiliate marketing, or you want to make money on YouTube, you want to get some free traffic, make these YouTube videos, then you have to go and get this Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will teach you everything about YouTube and affiliate marketing, and also it will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, which are necessary to get if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, and it will happen within maximum 30 days. Okay, and once your YouTube channel is monetized, then YouTube will pay you some money for your videos as well. For example, in this video, if you buy something from me, if you don't buy something from me, still this video has made some money, because you have seen some advertisements in this video. Okay, so if you are interested in working on YouTube and making money online on YouTube, YouTube is a free traffic source. Okay, then you go and get this Traffic Jarvis. But if you are interested in this forex thingy, then you can try this forex trading, and we'll talk about all these links in detail in the end. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, then you can click on the super thanks button. However, subscribe is free, like is free, dislike is free too. Okay, so we'll get back to all this. Let's talk about this demo video. So what I will do is I will leave the link of this demo video below my YouTube video somewhere here. So again, you go below my YouTube video and click on, I guess, show more, and find the link which says watch ReStory demo here. That link will take you to this video. Then come and watch this video for 7 minutes, because they are explaining their product. So they do have a voiceover, somebody is talking in the background and telling you what to do, what not to. So if I fast forward this for you right now, you have to give a name to your project. Then these are the slides which will be added depending on your keyword. Okay, and then these are the templates you can select, and here you can customize everything. So I think this can be done using Canva, but as I said in the beginning, that if you are not tech savvy, then you can get this tool. If you're tech savvy, then obviously you can do it for free by using other free resources available on the internet. So here they're showing you how to customize everything, right? And one thing which I liked about it was very cool. You see here you have nice backgrounds, everything can be changed. So this one was looking very pretty to me, pleasing to eye. And then I have one more slide here which you need to take a look. Take a look at this one here. So you see you can add any images into the shapes, and you can also add any videos into the shapes. So they will show you how, or what I'm talking about. So let's say this is the circle. Okay, and then you select a video. You go to video here and you select one of the videos, and let's forward this for you, and you will see that video will appear inside the circle. Okay, it's about, there you go. So that's it, right? So you can always use the shapes, and it's all about learning the tool, the software, and animations and everything. So you can do a lot of things. You can see again here, nice backgrounds, nice wallpapers, and then eventually you can save, and then you can publish your work, and you can download the video, or you can share directly on social media, I guess. So there you go. And in the end, you have to publish and render. Okay, if you want, you can add some background music as well. And this is a 6 minutes long video. Now, towards the end, I will tell you one thing here. So this is their main dashboard where you have all the videos. Okay, now one thing you need to understand here, these kind of web, what we call online video editor. Okay, these kind of online video editors are not good for long duration videos, because long duration rendering will take an eternity, and it will fail either, or it will crash or something. Okay, so you can see this video which is ready to download, it's only 10 seconds long, or maybe they have only 10 stories. This one is 0. Okay, so if I play the video, and in the end you will see they're going to show you the samples. You see this one is only 3 seconds, right? And then we have another video which they will play that will be only 2 seconds, I believe. You see here, this one is only 2 seconds. Okay, so short videos will be rendered quickly, but let's say if you want to make 5 minutes long video using this, 10 minutes video 10 minutes long video using this, that could be a problem when it comes to rendering, right? So for short videos, for 30 seconds, 1 minute, it should be no problem. Okay, So go and check out this demo video. You will find the link below. Let's talk about the pricing here. The price starts with $37, okay, and then we have some upsells. So these are the upsells. So what do you get in front end is this. So let me show you. In front end, you will be getting all these features, okay. Too many features, I guess. And then we have OTO number 1, which is unlimited. So you get everything unlimited in upsell number 1. And the price is not mentioned. Here is it. I'll see if I can find the price. Then this is what upgrade 2, 100 plus video templates per year. And we have upgrade 3. You can check all the features. And upgrade 4 is white label edition. White label means you can change the name of the software as per your brand and sell it as your own. Upgrade 5 is masterclass training. Complete step-by-step video training and tutorials. Tutorials were supposed to be free, I guess. Anyway, so these are the upgrades. You can pick and choose and leave whatever you don't want. Price is not mentioned here. I guess, yeah, it's not mentioned. So 37 is for the front end, and after that they were supposed to do a better job, which they have not done yet. Anyways, I don't think I have found the price anywhere for the OTOs. Not mentioned, okay. Anyways, they have a discount coupon which is ReStory, and this will give you 10% off. So you can use the coupon code if you want to. And yeah, you will. Let me check the price again here. Is it showing? It's not showing, okay. So you will find the prices maybe later on, or maybe, yeah, in the funnel, okay. When you go into the funnel here, once you buy the front end, then you will check the prices of these OTOs. And again, as I said, you can pick and choose there, okay. So ReStory is for people who want to make these kind of vertical videos and dominate social media. If they know what they're doing, if you are a freelancer, some social media influencer, whosoever you are, if this is for you, go and get it. If you are a newbie, then this is not for newbies, because newbies want to make money only, right? If you want to make money online, you may go below my YouTube video and want to check out these two links here. Make money on autopilot with forex trading. Then click on this first link here and enter your email address, enter your name, then click on unlock the syndicate, and then go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of syndicate, watch the video and take action. It is only for people who can go through the training, learn, implement, and then take action. If you cannot do any of that, bye. Then we have a second link which says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will require more work than Syndicate, okay. So this one will not require that much work as compared to Traffic Jarvis, okay. So if you are interested in doing manual work like me using YouTube or on YouTube, then go for Traffic Jarvis. If you want to set up this machine and let the software do the trading for you and you can just collect your profits, then go for this Syndicate. Where was that? Then go for this one, okay. And in the end, I would say subscribe again, like the video again. It's all free, by the way, okay. And now I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay. So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay. You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training, and this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.